Video. Good morning everyone. In this video, I will be presenting and analyze the key features of Canva for Education, an edtech tool that helps teachers and students create engaging and visually appealing learning materials. Canva is free for educators and offer powerful features that support creativity, collaboration, and effective teaching. Today, I will discuss its major features, explain how one works in instruction, how scenarios where it can be applied, and talk about its strength and limitation. So before I start, for my chosen topic about Canva for Education, let's introduce myself first. My name is Shahara B. Talagia, BS Ed English second year. So here the major features of Canva for Education. Number one, if you see the screen, this is ready-made templates. Ready-made templates is one of Canva's for Education most useful features in its huge library of ready-made templates. These include lesson presentation, worksheets, poster, infographics, flashcard, class schedule, modules, and many more. This feature helps teachers save time because they don't need to design from scratch. Students also benefit because templates guide them in creating organized and high quality outputs. Example, for a lesson of photosynthesis, a teacher can simply pick a presentation template and customize the text in image. Number two is drag and drop editor. If you see in our screen, that is the example of drag and drop editor. The drag and drop design editor makes Canva easy to use even for beginners. You can drag text and image, icons, shape, videos, and audio into your design. This supports instructional goals by encouraging creativity and making learning materials visually and clear. Example, a student can create a character measure for a novel by dragging arrows, shape, and image to show relationship between characters. Number three is collaborative workplace. Canva for Education allows real-time collaboration similar to Google Docs. Multiple users can edit or comment on the same project at the same time. This is helpful for group activities and project-based learning because students can work together even if they are not in the same place. Example, students working on a group infographics about environment problems can edit one design and receive feedback from their teacher directly in Canva. So number four is content library. If you see the screen, that is the example of content library. Canva has a wide collection of free graphics, diagrams, photos, charts, icons, and videos that students can safely use. This feature support multimedia learning and help make lessons more engaging and easier to understand. Example, a teacher making a science module from the library that explain process and visually. Number 5 is classroom space and LMS integration. If you see the screen, that is the example. Canva for Education also allows students to create a classroom space. Here they can give assignment, check submission, and monitor student progress. It also integrates with Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, and other LMS platforms. Example, a teacher can post a worksheet assignment on a Google Classroom and students can complete it directly in Canva and submit their design online. Here the example of how a teacher can use Canva to enhance learning. So, let's look at sample scenario. Imagine a teacher is teaching Philippine history. Instead of traditional written outputs, the teacher asks student to create an infographic about historical event. Students choose a template. The one they choose is collaborated with their group's member in real time. Use icon and images from the library and follow the teacher's commands to improve their works. That is the example. So, during presentation day, students share their infographic with the class. This activity improves understanding, encouraging creativity, builds communication skills, and creates a more engaging learning environment. Here are the strengths and limitations in the requirements. Strengths of Canva for education. Number 1 is free for teachers and students. Very easy to use. Thousands of educational templates. Encourage creativity and visual communication. Support real-time collaboration. Integrates with learning platform. Safe and student-friendly resources. That is the strength. The limitation is require a stable connection. Kasi kung iisipin nyo naman, parang yan naman yung problema ng mga student, connection. So, some advanced elements are available only in the paid version. Minsan yung ginagamit natin yung mga available na kahit offline, pwede siyang magamit. Yun. So, and large projects may load slowly on low-end devices. So, here is the technical requirements. Works on laptop, tablet, smartphone, kagaya na itong ginagamit ko. Needs internet for saving and collaboration. Can be logged in through Google or Microsoft account. So that is the limitation of using Canvas for education. In conclusion, the sum up Canva for education is a powerful and flexible edtech tools that transform teaching and drop editor and classroom integration make it easy to create meaningful and visually engaging materials. By using Canvas, teaching deliver clear lesson while students develop creativity, digital literacy, and communication skill. So that is the end of our discussion. So thank you for watching this walkthrough on Canva for Education. I hope this helped you understand how the tools can support effective and interactive learning in our environment today. So thank you guys.